In the vast cosmos, stars are born, live, and then die. Their life cycles are a symphony of cosmic forces. Astronomers map their evolution, trying to understand the processes that govern their existence. Using a powerful telescope in Chile, they aimed to map the Milky Way's bulge. They stumbled upon a cosmic mystery. The VVV survey allowed astronomers to peer deep into our galaxy. But one star, in particular, caught their attention. This giant star, far more massive than our sun, has been shining for millennia. Then, without any warning, it vanished. The star's disappearance was so abrupt that it left astronomers completely frozen. One moment it was there, the next it was simply gone. No explosion, no fading, just an empty patch of sky. The implications sent ripples through the scientific community. How could a massive star simply disappear? The vanishing star became a subject of intense debate. Many theories were raised, each more perplexing than the last, of course. Some proposed absurdity, such as the star cloaked itself from view. Others suggested even more exotic possibilities. The universe still held secrets more daunting than imagined. One theory was that the star collapsed into a black hole without any supernova occurrence. This rare scenario is not entirely implausible. Massive stars can implode, forming a singularity. Basically a black hole. These black holes have gravity so strong that nothing can escape. Another theory proposed the star transitioned into an alternate reality. The concept of parallel universes that we discussed in previous video has haunted physicists for ages. Could this vanishing star be a cosmic glitch? The possibility, however remote, was definitely intriguing. The most perplexing aspect of the vanishing star was the lack of any supernova signature. When massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer support themselves against the relentless pull of gravity. The core then collapses, triggering a runaway nuclear reaction that rips the star apart in a cataclysmic explosion, known as a supernova. These events are among the most energetic in the universe, even outshining entire galaxies for a brief period. The absence of such a luminous display added another layer of mystery to the vanishing star. If the star had indeed collapsed into a black hole, then why hadn't it produced a supernova? Was it possible that some unknown mechanism had suppressed the explosion? Or could there be other, more exotic explanations? Astronomers were faced with a cosmic puzzle with no easy solutions. Just like every mystery, let's begin our treasure hunt of clues. Despite the challenges, astronomers remained undeterred in their pursuit of answers. They continued to monitor the region where the star had vanished, hoping for any clue that might shed light on its fate. They searched for signs of a black hole, such as the previously discussed gravitational lensing, where the intense gravity of a massive object bends the light from background stars. They also looked for evidence of a neutron star, a dense, rapidly rotating remnant that can sometimes be left behind after a supernova. The search for the missing star's remnants became a race against time and the vastness of the never-ending expansion in space. Each new observation brought with it the hope of a breakthrough and the possibility of uncovering this cosmic secret. The universe, however, seemed reluctant to give up its secrets easily. The more clues we uncovered, of course, led to more cosmic challenges to face. The case of the vanishing star in particular highlighted the immense challenges astronomers face in studying the cosmos. The only constant fact is the universe is vast, extremely ancient, and constantly evolving. Observing distant objects is like looking back in time. The light from these celestial bodies take millions, and even billions of years to reach us. By the time we observe them, they may have undergone dramatic transformations. Their present state will always remain a mystery. Furthermore, our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. New discoveries often lead to more questions than answers, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging our preconceived notions. The vanishing star served as a stark reminder that there is still much we don't know about the cosmos, and that the universe is still full of surprises. Our human perseverance and ingenuity always stand strong against the cosmic ocean we drift in. Despite the challenges, the future of astronomy is always kept bright. New telescopes, both ground-based and space-based, are being designed and built with unprecedented capabilities. These instruments will allow astronomers to peer even deeper into the cosmos, unraveling its mysteries with greater clarity than ever before. Our always talked about James Webb Space Telescope, the successor to Hubble, always promises to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, from the first stars and galaxies to the atmospheres of exoplanets. Deep sky surveys, like the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, will scan the sky with remarkable detail, mapping billions of stars and galaxies while searching for transient events like supernovae, and perhaps even more vanishing stars. These surveys will definitely generate an unprecedented amount of data or potential clues, providing astronomers with a treasure trove of information to analyze and interpret. So think positively. It might be true that we still didn't even scratch the surface when it comes to exploration of the cosmos, but this vastness only acts as a fuel that feeds all of our minds to keep digging. The case of the vanishing star may remain an unsolved mystery for generations to come. However, the search for answers has already broadened our understanding of the universe and the processes that govern it. It, at the very least, revealed the limitations of our current knowledge and the need for continued exploration and discovery. As we venture further into the cosmos, we can expect to encounter more such mysteries, each one being a stepping stone on our journey to unraveling the grand puzzle of the universe. The universe is still full of way more stories waiting to be told, and we are just beginning to listen. So tune in on this journey, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next unsolved case comes in. Don't forget to put your thoughts on this mysterious case in the comments below. As always, keep looking up, and thank you for watching.